towards the left more.
Driver's side or passenger side?
Driver's side. Yeah, there you go. That looks so much better already. And just back it up. That looks really good. Make sure these are straight. Or you're already straight. No, that's perfect. Go ahead, you come back. You go back. You have probably the length of my body right now. The length of Chiqui's body, Fico's body. You could stop right here.
Good morning.
Buenos dias.
Hola. We are here, our first morning at the Copa Copa
In Rockport, Texas.
in Rockport, Texas. And we've got some ducks over here saying good morning as well. Give you guys a quick little 360 here. This place is absolutely gorgeous. This is so cool. This is how I want to wake up every morning. Got the birds over there squawking away. We got a dog set up in the back. Got a nice cup of hot coffee.
Yes.
And we're enjoying a walk on this beautiful pier. So I think I can say beautiful about 5 more times. Let's see. So here in Rockport, we're gonna just kind of see the sights. It's a quick little, 3-hour drive from home, which is kind of nice. So
yeah, we just picked it because it's had a lot of damage from the hurricane, and it's not as popular as Galveston, so we thought we'd bring another area of another Texas beach of interest and just out there for people to come and visit, especially when spots are this beautiful.
yeah, this is awesome. We're getting great weather right now, so we're gonna be here for the next couple days, show you guys around and see the sights.
Yeah, although I don't know how many sites we'll see because this is so perfect.
It's true, it's true. But we'll probably get some fishing in over here. I'm not a big fisherman, but see what I can do to try and help the kids out and see if we can catch something out here. And let me hit you one more time with this incredible view. So nice.
All things Rockport, and all they're going to see is all things Copa. We have our fishing dock, we have our site. There's no one else here. It's super private. We have our bathroom, our kitchen, we have food. Golden. Oh, and drinks.
And drinks. Super important.
Which I need.
And food. Good thing I'm close to the kitchen so I could get some food.
Always important, right?
Yeah.
We got some fried catfish in here, some fried shrimp, got a stuffed flounder with some crab meat, and I don't think I'm gonna share. So it's the last day here in Rockport, Texas. Beautiful 80-degree weather. Thanksgiving is next week. We're about 1 week away. So we decided we'd get a little bit of fun in the sun here at the beach before we decide to pack up and leave tomorrow. We were actually sitting down at dinner last night, and we were discussing, you know, Streamin Dreams. How do we come up with that name? Why do we come up with that name? We kind of went around the table discussing, you know, what did it mean to us? And I think you really kind of described it the best.
Well, it was interesting because we all chose the name collectively as a family when we first bought it. And obviously, at first, it was because it's an Airstream, so streaming, it's streaming down the road.
Nice little play on words.
There you go. But it has evolved into so much more since then. Now it's more how we are streaming to you guys live through YouTube, through Instagram, through Facebook, through social media. And we hope that we are streaming ideas and ways that you can connect with your families and or loved ones, or connect with yourself in nature through trips, excursions, experiences, and slowing. It's more about slowing down and doing these simple things. Yeah,
well, and streaming, I mean, especially today, it's synonymous with live, right now, happening right now. And of course, we think, you know, in this culture today, everyone expects everything right now, which we were definitely victims of. You know, and we've tried to kind of take a step back, and that's what this whole journey has been. If anything positive has come from this pandemic situation, it has afforded us the opportunity to be able to create these experiences for us and for our children and for our families.
Yeah, we've been able to connect more before. I'm sure a lot of you can probably relate. We were always running to work, to practices, to eat, and everything was timed to the minute. We couldn't be late for one thing or it snowballed.
Yeah, we were victims to our schedules.
Yes, and now it's slowing down, it's enjoying each other, getting to know each other, cohabitating together respectfully, even us as parents not being so overbearing with our kids, and giving them the independence and the freedom. So we hope Streamin Dreams will stream dreams to you guys and your loved ones and your families to provide you with opportunities or ideas or inspiration to get out there and live simply with your family. Go experience new adventures or moments that you just can't buy anywhere, and time is something that you can never get back. So
well, and that's why Streamin Dreams, stream live, happens now. So now's the time to go experience and go take those dreams that, you know, maybe you're putting on that back shelf. 2021's right around the corner. Thanksgiving's next week, then Christmas starts all over again.
Yeah,
why not start now?
Yeah, so you guys, tell us what you think about our name. We hope you love it just as much as we do, and we hope to keep providing you guys with content of places, locations that you can find in most states, free things to do. We want to hit all different budget levels and just keep growing as a family, as a team, and our lives.
Well, in the comments below, let us know if you have taken a plunge this year, if you have streamed your own dreams. You know, let us know what you have done this year that has been out of the norm, something that you've always done. if you haven't had the opportunity this year, what are you going to do next year to change that?
Or there's still a month and a half left. What is, even if it's one simple little change or anything,
Yeah,
there's
make it
still
happen.
time. Yes, absolutely. I'm a
Absolutely.
firm believer in baby steps for
Yes.
everything.
So from us here at Streamin Dreams, we hope everyone has a safe Thanksgiving. Of course, you know, hit that like
And that subscribe.
and that subscribe. Thank you,
Thank
guys.
you guys.
All right, so Alexander has the first catch of the night. Look at that! Look at that little 4.5, maybe 5-inch beauty. All right, there he is. There he is. Okay, give him a kiss before he goes back. All right, thanks, big guy.
Thank you.